Well, I love this, don't I? It's got chicken in it, potatoes in it, coconut in it, and loads of lovely Indian spices. What could go wrong? That's delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, let's take a look at what we need. So the chicken, I've got 1 kg of chicken there, which is 2.2 pound. Skin is on, bone is in, and I've just cut it into kind of fairly chunky pieces. Potatoes, about equal amounts in volume. So there's like 3 cups there of potatoes. I've peeled them and cut them nice and small. Let's take a look at this. We've got 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of turmeric there, because what we're going to do is before we start cooking, we're going to put that onto the potatoes and fry them first. 1 cup of onion, a teaspoon of chili powder, I'm using Kashmiri, a teaspoon of coriander and cumin, and half a teaspoon of turmeric. 1 teaspoon there of cumin seeds. Fresh chili, the amount's entirely up to you how much you want to put in. And I've got like a heaped teaspoon there, sorry, a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. That's a 50-50 mix of the two. And there we've got 400 ml of coconut milk. As you can see, it's just slightly under a pint. Let's get moving. So you can see I've put the potatoes in to a mixing bowl. We're simply just going to add a teaspoon of turmeric and salt. And then we're just going to give it a little mix. And then we're going to go to the cooker and start by frying these off. So we are on an above medium heat. In there I've got oil. I've got about 4 tablespoons. I'm using mustard oil, but you could use any oil you want. Mustard oil's got quite a distinctive flavour. Simply we're going to drop in the potatoes. In about 4 to 5 minutes we're going to just fry these around. So these potatoes are still hard, they're not cooked all the way. We've just put a little bit of colour on them and give them a little head start. What we're going to do now is we're going to take them out, set them aside, and then retain the oil there. We'll get moving back in that oil. So the potatoes have just been set to one side. Our oil's beautiful there. We're going to drop in that teaspoon of cumin seeds. Now I've reduced the heat down to below medium now. And then we're going to add 1 cup of onion. I'm going to go for maybe 4 minutes or so, stirring often. Beautiful. Now we're going to add the chicken. Like I say, this is 2.2 pound or 1 kg. Skin on, bone in. Stay on this below medium heat. We're now going to go for about 6 or 7 minutes. While I'm here, I'm going to add some salt. That's really beautiful. We've got a nice bit of colour there on the chicken, and the onions have really cooked down beautifully. We're now going to add a tablespoon. It's actually a heaped tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, fresh chili. The amount's entirely up to you. And then we're going to add our spices. Let's have one more look. So we've got half a teaspoon of turmeric, and then 1 teaspoon each of coriander, cumin and chili powder. In that goes. Stay on this medium heat. Go for about another 3 to 4 minutes, stirring pretty much all the time now. We've nearly done it. Okay, beautiful. We're now going to reintroduce the potatoes and give those a little mix. Like I say, they're still fairly hard, but they are on their way. So we're going to go here for another 3 or 4 minutes again on the medium heat, stirring fairly often. Only one more thing to add. Really good. Okay, let's grab that coconut milk. Just under a pint, 400 ml. In that goes. We're going to get this on a nice low heat now. About 6 minutes, I think. We just want those potatoes to be nice and tender. That is beautiful. Look at that, really beautiful. It's reduced down. The oil is separated there. Off goes the heat. Check it for salt. If you want, add some cilantro or coriander. Today I'm going to add a nice big pinch only. or 2 maybe of garam masala powder. This is this stuff. It's a lovely mixture of different spices, nice for finishing. That's a beauty. And there you have it. That is, I mean, it doesn't get much better than that for me. Potatoes, chicken, coconut, spices, wonderful stuff. Great with rice or with some bread like some naan, roti, paratha, up to you. I hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. Please do take time to hit the subscribe button, the notifications button, the bell thing that is, and do leave me a comment. I do actually read all your comments and I try to get back to as many of you as I can. Lots of love.